Hey friends, grab some designer fabric and let's get those dining room chairs revamped. So if you have a chair like this, where the cushion here has seen better days, but the chair is still in really good shape. It looks nice. So I'm going to show you a simple way just to cover this seat cushion here. And I've got some really pretty material that we're going to put on there. And you'll see just how lovely it is when we get this DIY finished.
So the first thing you want to do is flip it over and identify the 4 screws to hold the cushion on. Then you want to remove those screws so we can get this cushion covered in some really nice designer fabric.
Now the process I like to do is bring up the middle of each side. Bring that up and staple that with staple gun. Do all 4 sides. Now when you get over here to the corner, we're just going to tuck it in. And on one side of this corner, you want to pull it tight. Then you're going to leave this part hanging. Come right here and do the same thing on the other side. Then I just like to take this piece here. See, we're kind of making it like a pocket. Just going to run that straight back. And you see how that's a finished edge there. See how that goes? Now I'm going to do all 4 corners and I'll show you what it looks like when we put it on the chair. Now all I've done since I covered the cushion, I placed it back on the frame, tighten the screws in, and we've got one last screw here to tighten. And there it is, friends. We've got the before and the after right there in the same photo so you can see just how awesome it is. And we didn't stop with the chairs. We took that same designer fabric and used it to cover blank canvases to make large-scale wall art. Budget-friendly decor. We've got you covered. If you like this video, please be sure and give Charming Southern Sisters a follow. Check out our site. We have got tons of crafting videos, home decor. We've got hacks and tips to make life easier. We just cover a broad spectrum of things that we think you will find interesting. So check us out. We'd love to have you join the party.